Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Guru. Today we are diving into the world of futuristic fashion with the Fire-Boltt Firelens smart glasses. A bold combination of audio tech, smart features and style. One of the coolest part of Firelens is that it comes in 3 distinct frame designs, each built for a different vibe and audience. Dune. This is your classic Wayfarer style clear lens variant. Minimalist, clean and absolutely perfect for everyday wear. Office, college, cafe, you name it. It fits almost every face type and gives off a timeless cool look. Crux. This one is for the Gen Z crowd. A small framed AG sunglasses design that works equally well for males and females. It's trendy, it's fashionable and gives off a street style vibe that's right on trend. Sway. The most macho looking of the 3. This aviator style frame is built for bold personalities, especially male users, bikers or anyone who wants to stand out. It screams power and confidence while still delivering tech under the hood. Now let's talk about why Firelens is more than just good looking. Each of these frames comes with built-in open-ear directional speakers that deliver crisp, immersive sound while keeping your eyes open to the environment around you. Music sounds clean, vocals are clear, and for day-to-day usage, it's honestly better than expected from open-ear tech. You won't get booming bass, but you will get comfort and clarity, which are perfect for commutes and casual listening. The built-in mic lets you take calls on the go and the audio pickup is decent, especially in quiet or moderately noisy environment. You also get touch controls. Tap to play and pause, swipe to control volume, or even summon up your voice assistant. The gesture feels smooth and responsive. Firelenses offer 5 to 6 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, which is solid for glasses with integrated tech. And thanks to the magnetic charging cable, topping up in simple and quick. Even with the fast charging, a short 10-minute charge can give you up to 120 minutes of playback. Whether you're picking Dune, Crux or Sway, all variants are designed to be lightweight and wearable. No ear pressure, no need to shove earbuds in, just wear and go. Plus, they are sweat and splash resistant. IP64. So whether you're walking, riding or working, they are built for real world use. So the pros are quite clear. 3 stunning frame design, Dune, Crux and Sway, UV 400 lenses and stylish finish, open ear audio with decent clarity, touch control and mic for calls, comfortable for all day wear, great for safety and outdoor awareness. Cons: bass is limited, mic struggles a bit in very loud environment. So the Fire-Boltt Firelenses isn't just another smart gadget, it's a lifestyle accessory powered by tech. And if you're someone who values style, convenience and open audio without the bulk of earbuds, the Firelens is 100% worth checking out. These are priced at the price of ₹3000. But if you found this video real helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to Unboxing Guru for more futuristic tech reviews. Comment below which Firelenses style fits your personality, Dune, Crux or Sway. See you guys in the next one.